Before you buy into Gighub systems, there are a few crucial things you should know. Whether you're in the market for a new gig management platform or are considering switching from another provider, it's important to understand what you're getting into. First off, Gighub Systems Inc. provides a comprehensive platform designed for gig economy businesses. Think everything from freelancers to agencies. It's a relatively new player in the space, but it's quickly becoming a favorite for its robust features and user-friendly interface. But is it the right choice for you? Stick around, because we're about to dive into the 7 things you absolutely need to know before committing. Next thing, Gighub's platform really focuses on integration. Unlike many competitors, Gighub offers seamless connections with other major platforms like QuickBooks, Stripe, and PayPal. This makes invoicing, payment tracking, and accounting much simpler than you might expect, especially compared to older systems that can feel clunky when you need everything in one place. The ease of use is one of the standout features, especially for freelancers or agencies managing multiple clients at once. The third thing to know is about customization. Gighub allows you to customize workflows, which is a huge deal for business owners who need flexibility. Many competing platforms don't offer this level of personalization without paying a premium, but Gighub keeps it accessible even in their basic plans. You can tweak how you track gigs, set deadlines, or communicate with clients, which gives you full control over your operations. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. When compared to other gig economy platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, Gighub offers a significantly more affordable pricing structure for business owners. Their tiered pricing is clear and scalable depending on your needs, and there's no hidden fee structure that you might find with other gig economy platforms. Gighub is competitive on price without sacrificing the features that matter most. Next up, the fifth thing is customer support. This is where Gighub shines compared to some of its larger competitors. With 24/7 customer service, the response time is fast, and their support team is highly rated for being helpful and friendly. For anyone who's used a platform with poor customer service, you'll know just how frustrating that can be when you're on a deadline. The sixth thing to note is Gighub's reporting tools. Many similar platforms have basic tracking and analytics, but Gighub stands out with its detailed, actionable reports. Whether you're looking at revenue, client engagement, or project timelines, their reports are more in-depth and easier to digest. This is especially useful for agencies that need detailed data to manage multiple clients. And the seventh thing, security. Gighub takes data protection seriously. With features like two-factor authentication and encrypted transactions, they've put a lot of effort into securing your sensitive information. In comparison to some competitors who have had security breaches in the past, Gighub is solid in this area, and they stay ahead of the game with regular updates to their security protocols. If you're considering using Gighub Systems Inc., you should absolutely take advantage of the exclusive trial they offer. Click the first link in the description to get access to their best offer and try out the platform for free. Not only will you get to explore all of Gighub's features risk-free, but you'll also be eligible for some special benefits. If you're ready to make the leap into a better gig management system, click the first link below. Don't miss out on the exclusive offer. Take advantage of the best free trial for Gighub Systems Inc. today.